So let's continue the conversation and jump into my favorite topic about machine learning and predictive data analytics. At NTT iCubed, we've done real-world prototyping as well as released products to help leverage the data that we collect from telemetrics and human sensors in projects such as working with IndyCar. There's been a ton of learning that has come out from this exercise.
What's been exciting for us this year, Ravi, as you know, because you were involved in the process, is that we've been working with NTT i3 to use analytics, predictive analytics and machine learning. And so we've been, through our various digital platforms, we've been distributing more information about the race, trying to predict who the winner would be, who the top 5 would be, and we've had a lot of success this year with that, and that's been a very exciting development for 2017. So machine learning is about ultimately trying to improve the customer experience, and for us it's about, at the Tour de France, it's been about trying to improve the fan experience.
So Scott, what were some of the things that you used machine learning algorithms to predict, and what were the outcomes?
Yeah, so Ravi, what we did was we used machine learning to predict a couple of things this year. First of all, we had what we called the DD Predictor, which was we predicted, we gave 3 potential winners of the day, and we gave them a rating category. I think whether they were a 74.3% chance of winning, a 76.4% chance of winning, and the third best along the way. So we came up with the sort of number 1, 2, and 3 for each stage. We actually had a 75% success rate on that this year, which we think was a very interesting statistic. Secondly, what we were doing is we were trying to predict the top 5. So who would the top 5 individuals be in each stage? And we got about a 75 to 80% success rate on that as well.
Scott, with all these predictions and providing great second screen experience, how did the audience react to it?
When we started to share the DD Predictor with the public, we saw a lot of bloggers and reporters start to reference it. We saw a lot of retweets around that. We've definitely, I think we increased the followers of Le Tour Data by something like 8,000 people this year. So there's no doubt that having this information available and creating a different story to the race has been an important aspect to this year's tour.
Scott, it's really great. It's great to see how audience react to stories created, experiences delivered through data.
That's the reason we do this, right? So for us, as I said earlier, this is a showcase for what Dimension Data and the NTT group can do for all clients in any vertical, whether it be automotive, retail, or manufacturing, you name it. I mean, as I said earlier, there's an IoT story here, there's a hybrid IT story here, there's a cybersecurity story here, there's a digital workplace story, and then there's a machine learning and advanced analytics and predictive analytics story. And I think we've been able to take that and show that as a group we can get this right.
In wrapping, innovation is all about continuous learning. So what were some of your experiences and learnings this year at Tour de France?
Yeah, so Ravi, that's a very good question. I mean, I think for us, the key learning for us has been that this is a very difficult environment to deliver a solution because of the fact that we don't have a fixed office space or a fixed data center, and it moves every day, and we've had to really think on our feet and make sure that we understand as a company how to manage that. And the cloud and virtualization has been our savior as far as that's concerned, and our ability to be able to leverage more computing power through the cloud because of that environment has probably been our number one learning. The second learning for us is that we were very surprised when I referenced the 75% machine learning rating that we achieved. We were actually surprised by how high that was. I guess because of the fact that sport, as I alluded to earlier, is very unpredictable in nature. We've been very surprised by how predictable how accurate the machine learning has been. We didn't expect that level of accuracy. So for us, that's been an amazing learning. It's given us the confidence that machine learning is here to stay. It's given us the confidence that this is something that we can apply in other verticals and other industries that are probably more predictable than the one we're in.
So Scott, it was great working with your team. I look forward to working with you on the 2018 initiative. It's the sort of experiences that we can provide to the audience is limitless with machine learning. So thank you very much.